Hey, what's up guys? Short video today. I want to show you how to fix the Amazon merch error, text not found. Now, I'm assuming you're experiencing it if you're watching this video. This is a very quick, easy fix, so let's get right to it. So you can go to any screen on your Merch by Amazon account. In this case, I am at the product creation screen. Now, you'll notice that this screen is fixed because I fixed it on all of my browsers. I should have saved one and done it on this presentation, but either way, I'm sure you will see potentially your top header bar of your web page disappeared. I know I've seen that. And you'll see like text not found instead of the product names, and where it says edit details, you'll see text not found, etc. Okay, so you need to right click and then go to inspect. Okay, you can right click on anything in the web page, hit inspect, or you can just hit F12 on your keyboard. It'll open up the developer console. All right, now don't freak out about the developer console. This is very quick, very easy. All you have to do is on your developer console where you see application, click application. Now you should see something like this. Now under storage on the left-hand side where it says local storage, click to expand that. Now when you do that, you should see https://merch.amazon.com. Click that. After clicking that, you should see under key and value a bunch of values. So all you need to do is find the crossed out icon that's usually red, and it's to the right of where you see filter, and click that. When you hover over it, it'll say clear all. Yes, click that to clear everything. And afterwards, you should see nothing under key or value. Perfect. Now that you've done this, you should be able to just refresh the page and everything should be fixed. I think this error is related to the product or Chrome extension. I could be wrong, but I actually saw a video posted to their YouTube channel, and that's where I saw the solution. So yeah, I hope this helped, guys. And this is what it should look like now. So you go from the top where it says text not found to the bottom where you can actually see the names of your products. And thanks, guys. Before you leave, just wanted to remind you, I run a weekly print-on-demand giveaway. It's free to enter. You can find a link in the description. Also in the description, take advantage of my 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course and join my Amazon Merch Facebook group if you haven't already. Last but not least, I've got a full course on how I took my account from tier 10 to tier 200,000. You can find out more using the link in the description. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like if this video helped you and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you tomorrow.